Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create AI videos or image on Canva. For that you just need to open Canva and from here go to apps, and after clicking this just type magic media and then you will see this. Just click on here and use in existing design, or you can choose any of them. You can choose use in existing design or use in new design. So for me I will choose the second option, and it says me to select size. So let it be 1920 by 1080. All right. So yeah, this is my board, and right, let me close it. So yeah, from here now we can create any of AI image. As you can see, this is the box. Here we need to type the prompts. So let's create an AI image. Wait, let me think. Okay, let's create a dog wearing a space suit, diving into the ocean. Let's create wait, let me pick okay, let's choose this. Let me see how many of them. All right, let's go for retro wave. Okay, let's create the image. Wow, it's pretty good, as you can see. Wow. So yeah, this is how you do it. So if we need to make a video, just copy it and click on videos, generate videos. As you can see, the video has created. Let's see. So yeah, it's not that great, but it will do the job. So yeah, this is how you do it. You make AI videos and pictures on Canva. Hope you like the video. If you do like, then click the like button and share to with your friends and families.